How to upgrade your character and light cones in Honkai Star Rail. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Upgrading your character and light cones is the key in order to build a strong team in Honkai Star Rail. So first of all, launch open the Honkai Star Rail game on your device, and once you're inside the gameplay, go to the character icon at the top right corner, this one, and just tap on that. You'll then open this character details page. Select your character from the left hand side menu and look for the level up button at the bottom right corner. If you tap on that, you'll need to use Traveler's Guide, Adventure Logs, or other EXP materials to increase the character's level. If you've got the required material, tap on Auto Add and click on Level Up. When the character reaches the current level cap, you can tap on Ascend button once you see it. So now the next thing to do is to upgrade the light cones. Select the character and you'll be able to see the light cone option. If you've got one, just tap on it and tap on Equip at the bottom right. Now on the next page, tap on the Enhance button. Now if you've got enough material, tap on Auto Add and click on Level Up. And that way you can also use the light cone. You need to equip the light cone that matches your character's path, and that's how you do it. Upgrading your character and light cones will make every battle in Honkai Star Rail much easier. Focus on leveling and ascending your main team, equip path matching light cones, and improve your traces before investing heavily in relics. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.